Gone for a minute, now she's back. I'm in my feelings. Welcome back, beauty roomers and silent watchers. If you're still silently watching me, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that bell so you can get notified every time that I post and so that you can join the Beauty Room family. So I got caught up with life and it took me away from YouTube for a while, but I missed you guys. Please, please, please forgive me. You have to forgive me because I'm giving you blowout sexy today. So please forgive me. I do have a life. I have 2 little toddlers, if you didn't know, 2 toddler boys. They keep me very, very busy. And I had to do a lot of stuff for my real job, the one that actually pays me, for my nursing career. So I had to work a couple extra days and do some stuff for work in there, which I'm a maternity nurse and I love doing that. So I was busy doing that and taking care of my lovely patients who are freshly delivering. I even got some flowers, if you see them behind me, from one of my patients. Oh, aren't they sweet? They love me guys. So your girl's been stretched thin, but I'm back and I missed you guys, and let's get into some more workouts and fitness goals and journeys. So while I was away, I was thinking about you know, some things I want to do for my body. I really want to tone up my body more, and because I had 2 kids, I do want to tone up my stomach more, and I want it to get flatter. That's like been a goal of mine, is to continue to flatten and tone my stomach area and my muscles and my abdominal muscles, and also my booty area gets really flat after you have a couple babies, so I'm trying to lift that up and like round that out. So my goals are butt and gut. I don't know what your goals are. You can list them in the comments below. Like, what are your goals? What are your body goals that you want to achieve? But those are mine, and I was thinking, well, if those are my goals and those are things that I worry about and I have issues with, like I'm sure other people have the same issues. The goal is to really just get really strict with what I'm putting in my mouth and into my body, and also the workouts that I'm doing. So I thought, okay, since I really want to focus on what I'm eating and I really want some changes quickly, and I have a wedding coming up, and if you know me, you know I love to go to a wedding. I love a good wedding girl. And my friend is getting married. Shout out to Brit. Hashtag Kendrick party of 2 coming for you, okay? And it's in 3 weeks. So I was like, well, you know what? I've always used weddings as goals for myself to get my body right and get it tighter, just because I like to feel good and I like to be the hottest guest at the wedding. Always my goal when I go to a wedding is to be the hottest person on the floor, okay? So that motivated me to go ahead and do this fitness challenge. So it's going to be a 3-week challenge for the wedding, okay? A wedding 3-week challenge. Okay, and you can do it with me. You can either do the full week, which I'll list every single day. Every workout for every single day will be listed down below. But if you just want to do like 3 days a week, then my goal is to try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week so you can see what I'm doing and the workouts that I'm doing, so you can actually do it with me. But you can go ahead and just do what's in the description box and map it out, kind of like I do over here. Kind of how I did over here on my little handy dandy ghetto notebook behind me. I kind of laid it out over there, and it's got like every single day of the workout and what you're going to be doing every single day. And like I said, I will list in the description box for the whole week. So for week 1, you'll see what I'm doing. And at the end, the finale, you'll get ready with me for the wedding and you'll see the results that I got. You can do your own before and afters. You can do your own before weigh-in and before picture. And at the end, you can get that picture and that weight results at the end and see how well you did and see what results you got. If you want to do this challenge with me and you want to tone up and you've got some target areas that you want to work on, go ahead and feel free to do those workouts with me. You can do them when I post, or you can do them on your leisure according to the schedule that's down below. So let's get into this workout, sis. Hey Kiki, show me how to do this dance, girl.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need need you. Kill me, they gotta make some choices. They running out of options, cause I've been going off and they